What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, Riri Bites. Welcome back to my channel. We are at Frankie's
BGC Crossroads.
New York Buffalo Wings. We just had our workout. We did pulls. I did my pull back workout. He did his pulls.
I also did back.
I mean, pulls include back.
Okay.
But you also involved yung shoulders yata kanina.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I said pulls. Okay. So right now, it was intense yung workout for me, pero for him, it was just chill, he said. My workout. But I saw his workout. He incorporated his workout. It was super heavy. Kaya super ganda nung back niya. Anyway, we're having here boneless
Bangus. Boneless, ano to?
Boneless
chicken
boneless
wings.
chicken wings. Ano siya, sa akin, I'm having the garlic parmesan and JC is having the
Honey mustard.
So,
All-time favorite.
he has favorite niya, that's 259 pesos for boneless with rice. 269 pesos for boneless with rice. Yung sa akin. So, we're gonna rate it.
Actually, we can,
And
we
then,
can
this one
share
is,
naman.
yeah, we can definitely share. That's the plan.
Yeah.
And then we ordered yung blue cheese nila. And I love blue cheese. And then this one is the curly fries. That's just around 150 pesos for 230 grams. Etong dalawa, yung chicken, 120 grams siya. So, hindi siya naka-base sa pieces. We ordered for 6 pieces dapat. Pero, naka-ano pala siya, 120 grams pala siya. So, yeah, let's have that. And, syempre, service water. Tipid-tipid tayo. Are you gonna use yung plastic para sa ano?
Yes, I'm going to use plastic kasi I'm going to use my bare hands. With plastic, of course.
Ako naman, extra bareback tayo today.
Mag-plastic naman.
Hindi. Extra super bareback.
Mag-plastic naman. Okay, sige. Suit yourself.
So, let's try it. I wanna try first the fries with their ketchup. Para ma-rate na natin.
Rate mo rin yung ketchup if it's Heinz. Or...
Okay ka, girl. Alam na nila yung lasa ng ketchup. I'm gonna compare it without the ketchup. So, let's see. Without the ketchup na really. Boring siya without the ketchup. It's a 6/10 without the ketchup.
Look, it's just like your hair, oh.
It's curly. Kaya ako kulot kasi I order curly fries. And then, pag may ketchup siya, it's definitely masarap. It's gonna be around 7.5 for my ketchup. I've had it earlier.
Why siya? Okay naman siya. I rated it 8. Kasi I love ketchup.
Let's try it with the blue cheese.
Okay.
I think it's better. 8/10 with blue cheese.
8.8/10.
Okay, let's try now itong garlic parmesan. I was gonna try the honey garlic, pero kasi my friends recommended it. Kasi in-order ko to sa GrabFood. Tapos sabi na, Riri, nag-comment sa video ko, Riri, try yung honey garlic pa rin. Kasi daw masarap. But, sabi ko din, at that time, I've tried the garlic parmesan. Sabi ko, masarap talaga siya. So, kaya
So ito all-time favorite na to.
Yeah,
Okay.
here.
Ako ito naman, honey mustard talaga.
Okay, I'm gonna try it right now without the sauce. Kuha ka ha. Boring siya without the sauce. It's around 7/10 lang. Let's try it with the blue cheese. Blue cheese na dressing. Ano ba to? Sauce. Para siyang dressing eh. I think it's now... I think it's 8.5/10. I don't know. Feeling ko mas bet ko siya with bones. Mas masarap yung malalapit sa bones na part. Do you think? Kasi mahilig ako mag-knock-knock. Eh, yung mga in-order ko online sa Grab Food, may bones yun. So this one is 8.5 with the sauce, but not bad. Sarap pa rin.
But at least, ang convenient niya is,
Wala ng bones.
Wala ng bones.
Dire-diretso.
Dire-diretso na.
Pero I now realize na next time, I want to may bones.
Okay. But at least you tried it.
Na-try natin. At least na-try natin. Marunong ako magkamay, look.
Of course.
Kasi you asked me one time, marunong ba ako magkamay? Kasi yung video ko, hindi siya full pagkakamay. So ito yung legit pagkakamay. So you form some kind of parang pieces, tapos ipapush mo siya. As if naman yung mga kausap ko hindi marunong.
Try this.
Yeah. Kaya gusto ko talaga mag-iced tea. Order ako dalawa, gusto mo?
Okay na ako dito.
Ano? Jolina, order iced tea isa. Isang glass lang.
Mali. Wrong din. Di na have a nice tea.
Okay, I'm gonna try right now. Yung first time ko try siya. Ano nga tawag siya? Honey mustard. So
The bonus.
It's a bit, maasim.
It's a bit sweet and tangy flavor.
Tangy. Yeah. Zesty.
Zesty, yeah.
Usong-uso yung zesty ngayon sa TikTok. So this is a bit zesty. Tapos zesty na. Let's try it without the sauce. Without the blue cheese.
Hope you like it.
It's zesty.
Diba?
I think it's better than mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi it's
This is the first time that you have tasted this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero mahilig kasi ako sa sauce talaga. Eh, iced tea po. Bakit laging mali yung order? Bakit Sprite? Pero pagpasensyahan natin sila, magko-close na kasi ng 2. Pasara na, so baka pagod sila.
12:55 pa naman.
Okay. So, they're on their last hour. So, pagpasensyahan natin sila, nagkakamali sila. Kasi tao lang din naman sila. Pero ang cute nung nagsaserve namin ng main girl, si Jolina. Ang ganda ng name niya. Hi, Jolina. Sa Frankie's BGC Crossroads. Thank you, Raynel. How much nga ito? 75. So, this is 75 pesos.
How's the iced tea?
Normal.
Para ba siyang soda?
It reminds me of Liberty. Yung binibenta sa
Army Navy?
Yeah. Try it. Masarap. I like it. I think it's 8/10. Go. Did you have mine na? Masarap yung niya, yung honey mustard. Na-rate ko naman na siya, di ba? Yes, I'm happy again. Kasi nakakain. I'm cranky when I'm hungry. Have you noticed?
Yeah, you're cranky. Tend to talk a lot. Kasi if you're going to order Frankie's online, specifically sa Grab, ang mahal.
Mahal talaga ang Grab. Malaki yung patong. Ito naman, buti bukas pa sila. Usually kasi, bukas siya. Kasi usually, ang bukas dito at this time, ang tawag dito, recovery food kasi 24 hours. Pati yung Got to Believe. Sila lang usually yung bukas. Minsan matagal kami matapos mag-work. Kita ka ba?
I think so.
Ang top ng blue cheese. Mahilig ako sa fries talaga. Anything potato, mahilig ako. Like wedges, or yung, pero gusto ko yung may skin.
Habat na yung potatoes na ano, parang siyang grill style. Yung may butas-butas. Wedges, di ba yan?
Yun ba yung parang fajita?
Ata?
Fajita ba tawag doon? May nakain na steamed pala yun na try ko, sorry. Iba yun. Tusok-tusok, grilled. Saan mo nakain?
Hindi, style siya.
Saan mo nakain?
Restaurant?
Oo nga. Anong restaurant? Anong type of cuisine?
Fridays.
Magsasara na ang Friday sa abroad. Bankrupt sila abroad.
Oh my God.
No, I mean, nag-declare sila ng bankruptcy, pero hindi natin sure kung magsasara yung mga Fridays sa Philippines. So while may Fridays pa, kailangan natin siya i-vlog. Girl, kuha ka pa ng rice sa akin. Promise.
Hindi mo ubusan?
Hindi naman. Kasi wala ka ng rice eh.
Dati maliit lang dito. Ito lang.
Tapos lumaki na.
Mm.
Pero parang may bar doon. May inuman. May mga alak. Defeatable ba yung blue cheese? Ang sarap ng blue cheese nila.
Welcome to my go-to deck.
Mahilig talaga ako sa brie at saka blue cheese. Yung mismong blue cheese, kumakain ka rin.
Yung literal?
Ay, yung blue cheese.
Hindi.
Masarap yun. Sa saltine. Tapos lagyan mo ng prosciutto. Mag-charcuterie tayo minsan.
Sige.
Ang sarap. I'm so happy talaga pag nakakain ako ng masarap. At saka ang dami nilang staff dito. Maano ka talaga, makakikita ka agad, makahandle ka agad. Mas ang dami nila. Kasi malaki yung branch. No?
Lalo ba yung nilakaroon ito isang araw? Bubuksan yung practice ko. At hindi ko alam kung magre-relocate sila.
Diba?
Diba? Remember?
Nung nakita ko nga, ano nandyan.
Let's ask.
Oo. Chikahin natin. Si ate, busy pa si Julina. Grabe, ang daming parmesan. Sarap ng parmesan. Yung parmesan dati, pampaalat ko siya.
Question lang po, Sir Ace.
Yung
May practice dito.
Nilipat kayo doon?
Sir, ito po kasi yung store na
Mag-close na to. So kayo doon malilipat?
Then there na may food din sa food hall na yun sa this November.
November na lang.
So kayo lilipat din kayo doon? Kailan mag-close to?
Hindi pa naman
Ito yung first branch dito eh.
next year or 1 year. Kasi depende po kung matatapos na.
Sayang naman tong branch nyo.
This is the first eh. Ito yung first branch sa BGC.
Bali, magiging na po next year.
Parang relocate lang kayo doon.
Kasi ang matitira na natin si Stars.
Starbucks?
So si Kao kayo mawawala na rin?
Paano yung recovery food?
Paano yung recovery food? Ito ba? Yung recovery food. Or itong floor lang na to?
Sorry, sige, thank you.
Sige, thank you, Ace. Sorry.
Ginulo mo pa siya, busy siya. Charot!
May problema pati yung restaurant sa baba.
Girl, may Bluetooth pa.
matuklong sa sila.
Ha?
Matuklong. Nabother tuloy ako.
Oo, kawawa naman. Pero may branches na bago. Ang laki nung isa dyan, yung sa corner. Andyan lang, sobrang lapit lang. Andyan lang. I know. I'm pointing at it right now.
I think that's close to kay Mama Luz.
Ah.
Which is good.
Ito kasi nasa taas siya, so hindi siya mapapansin. Pero kitang-kita mo naman from the baba na nakailaw. Pero hindi mo alam kung saan papasok. Yun lang ba yung entrance? No? Yung part lang yun na yung entrance. Have to
Go up.
ang sarap yung garlic parmesan. Pero mas prefer ko yung may bones talaga. Mas masarap yung meat ng chicken na malapit sa bones.
Nata-challenge yung mandible natin.
Hindi gusto ko yung cartilage.
Ah, yes.
Waka. Ilang minutes na ba tayo? Well, 16 minutes na tayo. So that's it for today's vlog. If you haven't yet, please click like, subscribe, drop your comments. Masahan ako kakain next. Ano yung next natin to try?
Cilantro.
Yeah, okay sila. Wait, may isa pa tayo try kanina. Basta, just drop your comments kung ano yung gusto nyo i-try. Pero ko pa try yung honey garlic next time. Sorry. Ayun lang, so narinig yung chika from Ace. Lilipat na sila doon. At saka, lahat ng aking social media nasa baba lang po. Please support my content. Consistent po ako sa Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. Ayun lang. Bye!